This is the fourth part of the HEX Innovate series on basic HEX ezCAN installation. It gives a brief overview of how to connect all your 12-volt accessories to a HEX ezCAN. For demonstration purposes, ezCAN installation on a BMW R1250 GS Adventure is shown. Generic ezCAN procedures may not apply to all motorcycles. If installation and other procedures specific to your motorcycle model are shown on hexezcan.com, be sure to follow them. If any tasks shown in this video are beyond your ability, consult a qualified motorcycle technician or electronics technician for assistance. Alternatively, send an email to support@hexezcan.com. When the HEX ezCAN's main body is installed and the ezCAN is connected to the motorcycle's CAN bus connectors and battery terminals, the last major step is to connect your planned accessories to the ezCAN's power output circuits. All HEX ezCAN accessory managers have 4 highly configurable multi-purpose power outputs. The 4 outputs all have identical power supply capability. They are color-coded: red, blue, yellow, and white. Before installing accessories, we recommend that you read the ezCAN user manual. The manual can be downloaded at hexezcan.com. After installing the main body of the ezCAN and installing the accessories to be powered by it, you will need to plan the wiring runs between the ezCAN and each accessory. Before permanently installing any ezCAN accessory wiring, do a trial installation of the power circuit wiring runs. Wherever possible, route all wiring along existing wiring harness rungs. Make sure no ezCAN wiring run bunches or doubles back unnecessarily. If needed, extend the stub connectors included in the ezCAN installation kit by adding more wiring between each terminal of the accessory. Alternatively, the optional HEX ezCAN extension kit allows easy accessory connection, even over longer distances. See hexezcan.com for detail. The ezCAN's white power output also has Easy Bus functionality. This allows it to accommodate one conventional accessory or more than one smart accessory at the same time. Typical smart accessories feature intelligent operation and adaptation. Such smart accessories can be switches, smart lights, intelligent controllers, communication devices, front and rear auxiliary lights, further low-power circuits, and many other types. In Easy Bus mode, the white circuit can accommodate any number of individual accessories to a maximum of 15. The HEX ezCAN is capable of powering any 12-volt electrical accessory with a current draw of up to 25 amps. In practice, HEX ezCAN can power all electrical accessories used in modern motorcycling. For model-specific HEX ezCAN installation instructions, read the installation guides at this URL.